Are you ready to unlock the secrets to reaching a monthly income of $10,000 or more? Today we're diving deep into 7 tried and true strategies that can help you achieve that financial milestone. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Outside the Matrix channel, where we're all about helping you turn your financial dreams into reality and escape the matrix. Number 1. Dropshipping. Historically, dropshipping has faced skepticism, but in 2023, it can still work if done wisely. Many dropshippers fail due to overspending on ads in search of a winning product. However, using free traffic sources like TikTok and YouTube Shorts can validate products efficiently. The key to success in dropshipping lies in careful product selection, as trends change over time. Continuously adapting and finding new winning products while avoiding excessive ad spending is a recommended approach. Number 2. Become a high-ticket closer. Becoming a high-ticket closer can be highly profitable for those with a knack for sales. Companies in various industries, such as solar, agencies, and software, need salespeople to represent them to high-value clients. The advantage is that this work can often be done remotely from anywhere in the world. Sales skills are valuable and can serve as a lifelong asset, even if you don't pursue it as a full-time career. Number 3. Content creation, YouTube. Creating a successful YouTube channel in 2023 is possible but requires a strategic approach. The days of vlog-style channels are fading, and understanding CPM rates, earnings per thousand views, is crucial. Crafting engaging content, optimizing titles and thumbnails, and keeping the audience interested are essential for generating income from AdSense. While some YouTubers earn hundreds of thousands, even a modest $5–10K monthly income from YouTube is achievable. Number 4. Online coaching. Leveraging your expertise and passion can lead to a substantial income through online coaching. Whether you're knowledgeable about health, organization, or specific skills, there's likely an audience willing to pay for your guidance. Many individuals and companies seek coaching, making it a viable option to earn $10,000 a month. Providing value in areas like gut health, productivity, or home setup can lead to lucrative coaching opportunities. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. For those who prefer not to create their own products, affiliate marketing offers an alternative. This model involves promoting products or services and earning commissions. Nearly every company, including Amazon, has an affiliate program. Building an audience through blogs, videos, or online communities can help generate consistent income, particularly with software affiliate programs that offer recurring commissions. Number 6. Copywriting. Copywriting allows you to sell products or services through persuasive written content. Unlike one-on-one sales, copywriting reaches a broad audience. Businesses often have untapped potential in their existing customer base, and skilled copywriters can unlock it by crafting compelling email campaigns or social media copy. Earning a percentage of the increased revenue you generate for clients can be financially rewarding. Number 7. Agency. Starting an online agency can be highly lucrative and offers significant scalability. By connecting skilled talent from different countries with businesses worldwide, you can provide valuable services such as marketing, content creation, or customer support. Building an agency allows you to serve global clients while taking advantage of cost-effective labor markets. Creativity and service offerings, beyond traditional options, can set your agency apart and lead to substantial income growth. You've just listened to 7 realistic and proven ways how to earn $10,000 a month. As a special bonus, we want to present 3 more ways how you can change your life and become free financially. 1. Bookkeeping business. Consider starting a bookkeeping venture where you can assist small businesses in managing their finances. By specializing in certain niches, like e-commerce or real estate, you can potentially earn $10,000 a month. Don't worry if you're new to bookkeeping. There are free training resources available to get you started. 2. Blogging. Blogging is a highly profitable online business that allows you to explore various topics. Whether it's fishing or any other niche with a dedicated audience, you can earn money through affiliate marketing, such as promoting Amazon products. Setting up a blog is a breeze, taking less than 20 minutes, and opting for a paid option provides greater control and income potential. 3. Web development business. Launching a web development business takes time, but the rewards are substantial. Web developers are in high demand and command impressive hourly rates. To become a proficient web developer, consider taking online courses on platforms like Skillshare, Pluralsight, Udemy, or Lynda. While it may require dedication, web development is one of the most lucrative online professions in 2023 and beyond. Once you've honed your skills, explore freelance websites and web development job boards for lucrative opportunities. We've just unveiled 7 incredibly realistic ways to earn $10,000 a month, and as a bonus, we've shared 3 extra tips to help supercharge your income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to stay updated with our latest money-making insights and strategies. Join our ever-growing community of savvy earners and start turning your financial dreams into reality today.